Kilo Dispatch. All available teams advance to Traxxas Tower. Evacuation will commence ASAP.
Copy, Dispatch. What's the status of the tower pad?
Tower pad is green. Let's move these civilians before it changes.
Copy, Dispatch. 4-0 out.
Romeo Company, be advised, we have reports of Covenant suicide squads.
You gotta be kidding me.
That's a negative. Keep your eyes open, troopers.
Kilo 2-6, Kilo 4-0, Covenant Corvettes raining hell on us. Final protective fire 1. Danger close, my command, over.
Copy, Kilo 4-0. Firing FPF-1 at your command.
Fire FPF-1, over.
Firing FPF-1. Shot.
Hold on to your helmet.
Kilo 4-0, request FPF sitrep.
Negative 2-6. Corvette's still coming.
Copy, 4-0. Firing FPF-2. Shot.
Damn! How do you stop that thing?
Help! Somebody help us!
Come on, let's go! What are those things? Brutes! Move to cover! Picked up a friendly.
A Spartan? Where the hell did he come from?
Who cares? Spartan, assist! Copy, evac 7. Move to assist the evac. Over.
I'm here.
How do we get to the tower?
Elevator in the atrium goes down to the cargo port. Cargo port goes to the tower.
Gotta get in there.
Whoa! Contact! From the west!
Rock and roll, baby!
Good here.
Okay, let's move in and find that elevator.
I see them.
Somebody shut that damn thing off! What the hell's taking this thing so long?
We're evacuating a group of civilians on the floor below you. As soon as they reach the cargo port, I'll send the elevator back up.
Okay, everyone find some cover. Stay sharp. We need to hold this position.
Here. These things are dead.
Dropships! Deploying to the courtyard! Dropships! Deploying to the courtyard! Watch your flanks! top that elevator, get to the tower.
Going down. Cargo port and Praxis Tower.
If you're trying to get to the tower, you're too late, Lieutenant. Corvette over the starport pounded the hell out of the place. Cargo port's impassable on foot. Rooftop evac's awash. We could use the executive landing pad, except there's no easy way to get there. A group of ODST specialists are working a plan. They might appreciate some backup.
Other side of the hall there, Lieutenant. Right through triage.
Got one in my sight! Changing multiple contacts! Get a better angle. Eyes on the prize, troopers. I'm in position.
Hey, there he is. That's the one they're talking about. We've got an extra jetpack. Go ahead, try it on, Spud. Welcome to the Bullfrogs. We're gonna capture the landing pad on the executive wing so the evac birds can land. Try and keep up, Spartan.
Going cold.
Head up to the roof level, Spartan. There's the pad. East end of that tower. Other side! Other side! Entrance is on the other side! Spartan, over here! Niner to Echo Dispatch. Landing pad is clear. Send in the evac birds.
Copy, Yankee Niner. Birds away.
Pleasure jumping with you, Spartan. We'll hold this location. You get on that Falcon. Make sure those transports make it out in one piece. This is your ride, Spartan.
The city's been under siege for the last 5 days. Thought we had it in hand, and then those Corvettes showed up. Our fleet's scattered, pulling back. Hell, we've all got orders to evacuate. Guess some of us just don't like leaving a job half finished.
Evac transport Delta 1-5 to Evac Dispatch. Loaded up, ready to go. Delta 1-5, this is Evac Dispatch. Copy that. Proceed at your discretion.
Midtown airspace is way too hot. Gonna take an alternate route.
Delta 1-5 to dispatch. Banshee squadron on my tail. Taking fire. Copy, Delta 1-5. Can you...
Fox Actual to UNSC frigate Stalwart Dawn. Request immediate airstrike on Covenant Corvette over Starport.
This is Civilian Transport 6 Echo 2. I need to go now, Sergeant Major.
Hold on, Echo 2. Stalwart Dawn, I have multiple commercial craft loaded with civilians. I have got to get them out of the city. I need air support now. As soon as something frees up, you'll be the first to know. Not good enough. Negative, Echo 2. I can't cover you. Do not take off.
Oh my god.
Mayday! Mayday!
P6 Echo 2, can you maintain altitude?
Negative! We're going down!
Son of a bitch. I can't watch this.
Fox Actual, should we send search and rescue birds?
Negative, dispatch. No point. Spartan, Sergeant Major Duval. Awful day so far. Let's keep it from getting any worse, huh? Coverage all over my missile batteries, and I got 5,000 civilians across the bay waiting for passage out. I need you to arm those batteries, then fire those missiles from the central terminal. Understood? Corvette's been a pain in my ass for too damn long. Give it hell, Spartan. Troopers!
We need to push them back off our beach. Incoming, Noble. Barrels are hot. Let's roll.
Civilian transport 7 Echo 3 to Fox Actual. My engines are hot, waiting for your go. Copy that, 7 Echo 3. Working on it. First battery is online. Other one's to your north.
Sergeant Major, Covenant are banging on my bay door. I got families and wounded on board. I gotta get airborne.
Easy, 7 Echo 3. Spartan's gonna clear the skies. That's it, battery's prime. Now get over to the east complex and fire those missiles.
One in my sight.
Steady, Echo 3. That Corvette is still up there.
Enemy infantry! Enemy troop transport inbound. Clear it, coming in hot.
That's it. They've reached the landing bank. Copy that. Now or never, Spartan. Missile defense online. All evac transports. You are cleared for takeoff. Repeat, you are cleared for takeoff. Go now.
Civilian transport away. You saved a lot of lives today, Spartan.
Copy. Repeat, this is Noble 2, Noble 6, Noble 5. Do you copy?
This is 6. Go ahead, Noble 2.
We picked up your transponder about an hour ago, but could not risk open comms. Covenant have the city sealed tight. We're getting nothing from George.
He didn't make it.
Understood. What's the situation at Starport exit?
The last transport is away.
All right. We're bringing you to us.